Time for another Path of the Preview article. Today we're looking at the Shining Spears. This article actually is more like a tactical article rather than just simply a showcase of the new rules for Shining Spears. But either way, they're talking about basically how the Shining Spears can basically hit you on the first turn. Under Wild Rider hosts, they can reroll charges if you're playing Saim Hann and you include Shining Spears in your Saim Hann force. They can reroll the charge, and units with this attribute are eligible to declare a charge in the turn in which they fell back, which is pretty darn handy. Rerolling your charge is handy, and being able to charge after you've fallen back is pretty handy as well, because you can get out of combat in the enemy's turn, come back, and act like normal pretty much, right? Pretty picks. And of course, the stratagem for the Saim Hann is at the start of the charge phase, select one enemy biker unit in your army until the end of the phase. That unit is eligible to declare a charge even if it advanced this turn. So basically, they're saying that, yeah, if you move the bare minimum for a jet bike squad, which is 16 inches, then they automatically can move 6 inches in the advance. And of course, declaring a charge, which would give them a minimum of 24 to 34 inch range on the first turn to charge in against something. And these guys are all about close combat, right? The Sunstorm, basically, if you gave somebody else, like your warlord or whatever, just gave them this relic, basically they can move 20 inches and they give everybody objective secured. So if you gave this to, like, the Skyrunner Autarch, he basically is kind of really awesome. And of course, the Shining Spears also get their Laser Lance shooting. It's a 6-inch range. That's huge. Assault 1, Strength 6, -4, 2 damage. Very respectable. And in melee, it's a +1 strength, -4 AP, doing 2 damage. And if they charge on the turn, the strength is a +3 instead of a +1. Very, very handy. Shining Spears. I think definitely these guys are going to be seeing a lot more of the tabletop these days. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to see these guys out there on the fields. I rarely ever see these models out there, so I look forward to more Aeldari players bringing these things in. But a first turn charge, that's pretty bold strategy, Cotton. It's a pretty bold strategy.